Yes, you heard it right. There will not be any income tax if you have a rental income up to 10 lakhs. That is what I am going to discuss. In E2 Tax online platform, I have discussed how to calculate house property income. How do we do it? You take your rental income. From the rental income, if you have paid any building tax, that amount can be reduced. The remaining amount, we call it as a net annual value. On that amount, there are two deductions possible under section 24. 24A says that 30% of NAV will be allowed as a standard deduction, irrespective of the expenditure. For example, let us say if you wanted to maintain a building, there are so many expenditure involved, like you need to pay rent, security charges, cleaning, painting, etc. But you cannot claim all this expenditure. Irrespective of any expenditure, 30% deduction is possible under house property. Then 24B say that if you have borrowed a loan, then that interest amount what you are paying also will be eligible for deduction. Only remaining amount will be the taxable house property income. Let us say you have 10 lakh rupees as a rental income. Assume you are not paid any building tax. Then on the 10 lakhs, 30% standard deduction you are going to get it. 7 lakhs only will be your income as per the house property calculation. Now what you need to do it? You need to go and compute the tax liability under the new scheme specified under section 115B AC. What it says that if you have a 7 lakhs income, up to 3 lakh, there is no tax liability. 3 to 6 lakh, 5% tax will come. How much is that? 3 lakhs into 5% means 15,000 tax will come. Then 6 lakh to 7 lakhs, 10% tax, which comes to 10,000. So the total tax will be 15,000 plus 10,000 will be 25,000. Now you can apply 87A rebate section, which say that if you are a resident individual and if your income is up to 7 lakhs, you will get a reduction of 25,000 tax on your computation. So when you apply 87A rebate of 25,000, your net tax liability will be nil. That is the reason I said if you have a rental income up to 10 lakhs, there is no necessary for you to pay tax. But do remember, if you have any other income and if the income exceed the 7 lakhs, then you are not eligible for 87A rebate. Then the tax calculation should be done from 3 lakhs onwards. The second point you need to keep in mind, even if there is no tax liability, but you need to file return of income, because 139(1) say that if your income exceed the basic limit, return filing is mandatory. So what is the basic limit? 3 lakhs under the new scheme. So please file your return of income. I hope you got it what I mean. Thank you.